Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the starter relay and starter fuse are located on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So these are under the hood, so we need to pop our hood. Here is our under the hood fuse box. So there's a tab right back here that you lift up on, and you can take the cover right off, just like that. So we are looking at this diagram on the back here, and the fuse that we're looking for the starter fuse is F13, which is this 30 amp box fuse right here. And then we're looking for relay in the space R10, which is this space right here, and is this big relay right here. So we've got our starter relay and our 30 amp box fuse for the starter fuse. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.